A reminder for farmers to apply for the Wisconsin Farm Support Program. The application period ends June 29th. People we've spoke with say it's a quick and easy process. We have a link to the Department of Revenue's website on wearegreenbay.com. Just head to the Midwest Farm Weekly page. Farmers are reporting good quality hay after some pretty ideal conditions for field work. The first cutting of alfalfa is reported at 92% complete, 16 days ahead of last year. Corn has already reached that knee-high mark in parts of the state, with 99% of that crop emerged. That's nearly 2 weeks ahead of 2019. Soil moistures remain in the adequate range for much of the state. Cheese prices plunged at the beginning of the pandemic when the nation's food service sector paused, but now cheese is selling for a record high. Here's a look at what that roller coaster means for consumers.
The price plummeted to $1 at the wholesale level for cheddar, which is kind of our benchmark price in the industry. And now we've seen it just yesterday reach another new record, all-time record. We're $2.81 from $1, all within a matter of weeks. So it's amazing.
What's driving the increase now in the prices?
There's all sorts of factors. The main one, I think, is the fact that the food service sector is rebuilding inventory, and the distributors along the way are refilling warehouses with food for restaurants and for schools and destinations. So that's the biggest factor, I think. But also, people at the grocery store are still buying 16% more cheese than they were the same week a year ago. So there's still more happening at both the food service and the retail end.
Let's talk about what this all means for consumers when they head to the grocery store. Are they going to notice that trickle down right away?
I don't think you notice it right away, but you may see prices rise in the cheese case. But these fluctuations have been so fast, I don't think that they had a chance to catch up when they were low. And so we may see, if the price falls back to something more realistic, that you may never see this spike as well, or at least the highest part of it. So I think you may see this be more flat at the grocery store.
On next week's show, we will explore the growing demand for Wisconsin cheese products, along with the surplus of milk in the state. Now cheesemakers are adapting to fill both of those needs. Capacity at major pork processing and beef processing plants has rebounded faster than expected, but pork producers say they are still dealing with the most volatility ever in the market. Already they were dealing with the trade war, then farmers were dealt a pandemic. Prices have fluctuated dramatically in the past 60 days. With some plants not running at full capacity, farmers have more hogs than those plants can handle. They say the biggest issue here is supply chain.
Have to figure out how do we take it from the farm to the dinner plate and get that system to be better coordinated than we are today.
Restaurants slowly reopening could offer a boost. 60% of all bacon is consumed in restaurants.